happy I got this, even though I really didn't feel like it. But yeah, I also went to TJ Maxx. Yes, if you have never tried Cremo, I think that's how you pronounce it, Cremo body wash, they sell it at Target. I just recently found out that they have it at TJ Maxx. Cremo body wash is so good. And I was gonna make a video about it, but I never got to it. But I've been using the Palo Santo Cremo body wash, and it is in the men's care department or collection, but to me it's unisex. So the Palo Santo one is so nice. Oh my goodness, so nice. It lathers good, it's moisturizing. I just wish the scent was a little bit stronger, but if you know Le Labo Santal 33 or 31, one of them is supposed to smell very similar to that. I love it. But I went to TJ Maxx and they had it for $6.99. At Target, this is $11. It might be $11.99. I don't know. But I was hoping that I found the Palo Santo, but they didn't have it. The only one they had was this silver, water, and a birch. And from my understanding, this is supposed to smell very similar to one of the Creed fragrances, but I had to get it, and they only had 2. Yeah, I love this. I love this. Even though it's masculine, but it's still a fresh scent. So I grabbed 2. I grabbed 2 of them because I love this, y'all. And I should have told y'all about this a long time ago because I'm actually almost done with that Palo Santo one. Then I grabbed another one of those Van Cleef dupes, the Rachel Zoe. I grabbed a bracelet, and this bracelet was $25. And the reason why I got this one is because I love the chain. So yeah, that's the reason why I chose this one, because I love the thicker chain. And then this one, it kind of adjusts. It adjusts. So yeah, I'm happy that I grabbed this one. It has that little adjust thing on the bottom. So yeah, this was $25. So I grabbed that. Hello.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm fine.
Would you like a pass?
No, I'm just picking up an order.
Oh, okay.
Thank you. For some reason, I thought that the Easter collection had more items for some reason, but this store only had just one area, one table of Easter stuff. For some reason, I thought it was like way more, but it still looked beautiful. I still enjoy looking at all of the bright, pretty pastel colors, the soft tones. Love it, love it, love it. This says spring to me. The Black History collection, as y'all see, the candles is selling out. The cologne mist, this store had tons of this stuff. Oh my goodness, I didn't expect this store to have this much. The Neutrals collection, love it, love it, love it. You could get it in the soap, the room spray, the candles. I love this collection. Wallflower, refills, anything you want this neutral stuff in, you can find it. Bath and Body Works, we need a room spray sale, please. So I'm really enjoying this collection, y'all. Oh my goodness. And as y'all do know, today they're having a $13.95 sale on 3 wick candles, so I'm gonna place an order for some neutral candles. So yeah, y'all, that's all I did. I just picked up my order and I was back out the door. And now on to the candles that I grabbed. So the candles was on sale for $10 off. We all know that. They were doing a $10 off sale, and I was gonna totally skip, y'all. I really was. I was gonna totally skip on this sale, but then they gave us that 20% coupon. I was super happy because I already have a 20% coupon, but I want to save it for a better sale. So when they provided us with a 20% coupon, I said, well, why not? So I grabbed 4 candles. Vanilla Musk. Y'all know I've been waiting on this. I do have the room spray. When y'all gonna have a room spray sale, Bath and Body Works? We need a room spray sale, please. So yeah, I grabbed this one. As you do see, the scent notes is vanilla, cedarwood, and musk. Love it. Most definitely get that vanilla. So this is nice. I'm gonna have to try it. I'm gonna have to burn it. I'm super, super excited for this whole neutrals collection. The next one I got is rose plus lychee. Yes, yes, yes. I hope this gives me what I'm looking for. I hope it gives me like a rose, but more like a sweet rose. And it is. Oh, yes, so nice on cold. On cold, this is most definitely backup worthy. Oh, I like it. I most definitely get that rose and I get that lychee. For me, it's kind of balanced. Now, I don't know what this is going to give when I burn it, but on cold, it's giving me everything I need on cold. That sweet, but still floral. Love it. The next one I got is watermelon and wild mint. Yes, packaging is so nice, y'all. And it comes with that specialty lid. This one is what, $26.95. These are $26.95. So yeah, love the jar. Love that. It's not like, it's not a sticker. It's like it's painted on there. So this is nice. And then it comes with like a satin or a shiny jar. The scent notes on this is watermelon, spearmint, cucumber. So I think this is going to be like a fresh watermelon. And I hope I like it. I don't see this being like super, super sweet at all. So let's see. Yeah, exactly what I thought it would be. I get the water. This is actually really nice. And it's strong on cold. This is good. I get that watermelon, but I also get almost like the rind. Yes, I like this. Most definitely. I hope it does well burning. I really, really do. To me, it's not giving me candy watermelon for me. It's most definitely giving me the like a juice watermelon with cucumber, like a fresh, almost like if you juiced up some watermelon with the rind. That's what is giving me with the little. I don't really get that spearmint, but that spearmint part might be what's making it so fresh and so like that rind part. That's probably why I'm getting that, along with the cucumber. Watermelon and cucumber juice together is amazing. So yeah, I know I dragged that, but this is nice. On cold, this could be backup worthy. And the last one I got is Ebony Sands. Yes, love the packaging. I jumped ahead of myself, y'all. I wasn't supposed to smell it yet, but I'm super excited for this one. But ebony wood is, so ebony wood, tobacco petal, and tonka. Somebody in my comments put that this is supposed to be iced vanilla woods. And I'm hoping it's not, because I got so many of that candle. And I'm hoping that this isn't it. And on cold, it's nice. Warm scent. Kind of sort of sweet. I do get that tobacco. Not like a cigarette, almost like a cigar, a flavored cigar almost. Yeah, this is nice. This is nice. grown scent. You know, this isn't like your gourmand. This is like not like a floral. This is very, very warm. This is like a chill vibe, a date vibe. That's what I get with this one. Most definitely when you chilling, you drinking some cognac, you might have a cigar, I don't know. But that's the kind of vibe this is giving me. You playing your R&B or your jazz and you just in a whole vibe chilling, you know, that's this. That's the vibe I get with this one. Yeah, this is nice. So all in all, I think they all backup worthy. Most definitely this rose lychee. I really, really, really like this. Yes, I really like that. So nice. So that was everything. Put in the comments, let me know, what did you get from this sale, or did you pass? Like I said, I was gonna pass on this sale. If they didn't give us that 20%, I most definitely wasn't gonna buy, because as y'all do know, I'm trying my best to stay within budget. I kind of feel like I mess up when it's semi-annual, because y'all know the summer semi-annual is my favorite. So I'm thinking if I go light throughout the year and then slightly heavy for semi-annual, then things might balance out. I'm not going to buy anything until they have another candle sale. So if they do like a $13.95 or $12.95, then I'll shop. But these $10 off candles, I'm not really going to shop as much for those. And again, I'm not buying doubles anymore. I'm only buying what I love. I gotta absolutely really love it. So hopefully I really enjoy this rose lychee, because if it's something that I'm not really enjoying, I'm not gonna buy another one. I'm just gonna try my best to be satisfied with just the one, because I have to scale back. I have to. I can't keep on blowing my budget every year. I can't keep doing that. So like I said, leave in the comments, let me know, what did you buy on this sale, this $10 off plus with the 20% coupon? Did you buy anything for the body care sale? Leave that down in the comments. Shout out to all my MVP riders. Thank you for always supporting me, always holding me down, always have my back. Thank you for watching anything and everything I post. I truly appreciate it. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Look down at the button. If the button is red, that means you're not subscribed. Subscribe to the channel. Turn that red button gray. Turn the red button gray and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the notification bell. Follow me on all of my social media platforms. Use or follow my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick on Instagram, of course. So yeah, and I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.